guys, welcome back to Indulge to Dimples today, and today we're going to be cooking something simple, easy, homemade, store-bought today. So come with me in the kitchen and let's start cooking. Very simple and easy. Alright guys, just like I told you in the intro, we're going to be making pancakes. Now, nor here nor there, I just want to show y'all it's different ways to making pancakes. Even pancakes can be simple. You don't have to make them from scratch, and you do not have to go through all that looking for a different box. Now, me growing up, I go to Wally World, I go to the Tart, I go to any store that has their own brand. Their pancakes is good. You just got to dot them up a little bit. But today, this is not sponsored in any way, but I want to show you pancakes that I remember my grandmother used to make. But it was not this name brand. It was something else, some generic brand. But listen, I'm older. I get to pick and choose what I want to buy now. So, you can get any type of muffin brand, and they don't have the recipe on the back, so you're not gonna find it there. You're gonna find it at Indulge with Dimples, so you gotta make sure you stay tuned for the whole recipe. This is simple, easy. This is gonna take you about 5 minutes. 5 minutes, and you're gonna need 4 ingredients. That's it. You're gonna need some butter. You're gonna need to find your favorite muffin pack. I have strawberry right here, apple cinnamon, and I got chocolate chip. Now, to make these even better, you probably want to put some fresh strawberries and make your own syrup. My grandma used to do that. That's another story for another day. Add some more chocolate chips in here. You can add some cinnamon in here, some chunks of apple, make your own little glaze on top. But I asked the people, and the unanimous vote was strawberry. So I'm going to show you how to make the strawberry one. You're going to need 1 egg, room temperature. You're going to need 2/3 cup of milk. We don't use whole milk around here. This is not sponsored either, but you can get this type of milk, almond milk, whatever milk you use in your house, it'll work. So just follow along with me. I'm just going to go ahead and mix this up, and then I'm going to show you how we're going to make these pancakes even fluffier. Oh yeah. Alright, so they have like dry frozen strawberry in here. It smells just like Chex Mix. If you ever had that cereal growing up, that's what it smells like. So to make these a little bit crispier, you just want to add a little bit or a drop of olive oil or vegetable oil, whatever oil you have in here. And it should not be running, but it should be like a nice thick consistency. If you want them a little bit thicker, you might want to just use maybe 1/3 cup of milk and mix in if you're going to add any extra liquids in here. If you're going to add any extra chunks of anything else, you might just want to add 2/3 cup of milk. If you're going to add extra stuff, if you're not going to add any extra liquids or anything, you just want to add 1/3 cup of milk. So let's go ahead and move this over to the... Alright, so I have my eye on. I have it on medium high. And this is just some extra that I made earlier. So I'm going to use about a tablespoon of butter, because you want that butter flavor in here. Now, the new rave is to make pancake cereal. You can make that. All you have to do is get you one of them ketchup tube bottles you can buy from the dollar store. And then you pour your pancake mix in there and you just spread them out and put little dots everywhere. That's cool. It works. Oops. That's cool. It works for everybody. But today, we're just going to make some regular smuggler pancakes, okay? Regular smuggler pancakes. So, let your oil or your butter melt in the pan. And then we're going to go ahead and drop our pancake mix in. Okay, so this is our batter. And I'm going to go ahead and use me a spoon, a soup spoon, to scoop some out. Alright. Now to get a crispy pancake, you want to make sure your eye starts out hot, and then from there you cut it down. I'm making big pancakes today. This smells so delicious, y'all. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and let this cook up. Just like a regular pancake, when it starts bubbling, you know it's time to flip, and you're just going to flip that bad boy over. See them bubbles? So it's going to get like a little crispier brown around the edges. And you're going to see the bubbles. You're going to smell the delicious smell. And then you know it's time to flip it. Get you a big spatula. Don't get a small one. And I like my pancake crispy on the outside. And then I like it really fluffy on the inside. Alright, y'all ready? Are y'all ready? And this is the moment of truth. And I get like, you gonna flip it? Bam! Who said this one gonna turn like a pancake? You know, you know. Make sure you stay tuned when Indulge with Dimples, because we do nothing but semi-homemade, semi-store-bought. Brought to you all with love. We don't be in the kitchen too long because we don't like to be in here sweating. But we want you to think we put our foot and elbows in this meal. I mean, I'm telling you. Yeah, girl, I come through. When I come through on the good side. Keep watching. Alright, guys. So the pancakes are turning out beautiful. But we're going to make our own strawberry syrup. No problem. I'm just going to show you the whole kit and caboodle today. So you need a little saucepan. You want to make sure it's like on low and medium. You're going to need a 1/4 cup of water. You're also going to need about 16 ounces or 2 full cups of strawberry. They can be frozen or fresh. Really doesn't matter. I put a little less water in there. Like a tablespoon less, because these are frozen, and when they're frozen they have like water already in them because they're frozen, so that's going to let off some liquid as well. I'm going to add just a couple more. Ooh, not that many. Okay, that's enough. I'm going to add a dollop of vanilla. If you have strawberry extract, throw that in there as well. That's going to be even better. Let me take this pancake out of here before we burn it up. Oh, I'm trying to multitask, guys. To this, you want to go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. And this is cornstarch. Now, if you don't have cornstarch, you can use cream of tart, but cornstarch will be best. Cornstarch is a thickening agent, so it's going to make it that thick syrup, and you want to make sure you measure it out, like so. And you just want to sprinkle that in there, somewhere on the side, so you can mix it up. then whatever sugar that you use in your household, go ahead and add about a 1/3 cup of that sugar. I use this because we watch our sugar intake over here. So you want to go ahead and add that in. Now, one thing I want to tell you, I can't wait till I grow with age with the cooking, because you know, older folks, seasoned, not older, seasoned folks, they do not have to measure with measuring cups. They just know by the weight of their hand. And let me tell you, I can't wait till I get there. But right now, I'm eyeballing it and I'm gonna taste. But we're gonna see if this turned out sweet enough, because I don't want it too sweet, but I want it sweet enough. So we're gonna add that in there. And when you're using any supplement sugar like this, you know, it tells you the measurements on the bag, what it's equivalent to. So make sure you follow the directions. I'm going to go ahead and just stir this up a little bit. And when we come back, this is going to turn into our syrup, strawberry syrup for our strawberry pancakes. Alright. When I get done, everything is going to be delicious. See you in a few. Alright guys, so it's a little loud. I got the air fryer going and I got the syrup working. It's magic. Now, it comes out, it starts looking like a little shabby, like it ain't gonna be what you think it's gonna be. But look, it turns out IHop ain't got nothing on us. I'm telling you, they ain't got nothing on us. Look how thick that is. Look how thick that is. Alright, so that is our syrup right there. All you want to do is cut it on low or just cut it off depending on what kind of oven you got going on. Taste it for flavor. We doing it. So I'm going to let that sit. I'm going to actually just cut it out. And then our pancakes, we got one more we need to cook. But look how golden brown they are turning out to be. And then I got the bacon in here making all this noise. And when I come back, I'm going to put the plate together. And we're going to have a delicious strawberry on top of strawberry on top of strawberry homemade breakfast. Alright. Alright guys, so everything is done. Look how wonderful the muffin pancakes turned out. Okay? Okay. So we did our homemade syrup. You need 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. You need a 1/3 cup of sugar. You need a 1/4 cup of water. And you need 16 ounces of strawberry. Or do like I did and I just winged it. And then to make this look like IHop or better, I'm going to show you what it looks like when you cut into it. You see the strawberry. You see it. So let's make this IHop presentation. So you need some confectioner sugar. Once again, we watch our sugar intake around here. You need a sifter strainer. This is how you get that perfect little shimmy shake on top. Okay. Just pour a little bit. You don't need a whole lot. Some people be doing the most. And just powder it like so. That's cute. That's cute. Like that. Okay. And then you get you some of this syrup we got going on. And I'm just going to decorate the plate so we can look all fancy. And this tastes just like IHop. If you don't have IHop, whatever breakfast restaurant you like that has all that good stuff, this is it. And guys and girls, breakfast is served. Alright, until next time, I see you next Sunday. Hopefully you like, subscribe, and you stay tuned. Turn on your notification. Let's start a dialogue. Leave me some comments down below so I can talk with you. And until next time, I see you. Alright guys, have a good week.